I keep promising to do a knife care video, so today we're doing a knife care video for all my customers and for anyone out there who has a carbon steel knife that's looking to see how to take care of their blades. Let's get started. Okay, so this whetstone doesn't need to be soaked, but you do need to get it wet. I'll put a link to the stone in the description. I really like this stone. For a basic honing, all you need to do is 10 strokes on each side of the blade. At around a slight angle. The most important thing is to maintain the same angle on every stroke on both sides. See, that was 10. Next side. Turn the stone over. Rag, just take off some of that composite that might have filed off. Wet your stone. 10 strokes. Okay. The very important thing is to always tuck your fingers behind the blade so your knuckles are actually touching the blade like this. Fingers never in the way. But it's also important to never move your vegetables on the cutting board. After you got done cutting a few vegetables, don't do this. Don't drag it with the blade. This is a very easy habit to get into. Turn the blade over, move the blunt side. If you pull it this way, you will roll the edge and actually make your blade dull by dragging it across. This is good for all your blades. Always use the back of your knife to move things. Another small tip with your vegetables that are round, make a nice incision on the bottom, nice and stable. Tuck your fingers behind as you cut. Now with the Santokus, you can either do what's called a push cut, a pull cut, where you're pulling toward yourself, or just press straight down. I like the nice even pull cut. But again, after you're done dicing these, move it to the back of the blade. Tuck your fingers behind. Okay, so when you're done using your knife, you have to make sure that you don't leave it in standing water or leave it out and about with a lot of that extra residue on it. You don't have to do it immediately, but within an hour of cooking, it's good to have your blade cleaned. You can just use soap and water, but right after you're done washing it, it's very important to wipe off all the water. Take some olive oil, or in this case, a spritzer of Camilla oil, the Japanese blade oil, hit both sides. Very carefully with your hand, or with the dry end of a towel, rub the oil all into the blade. You're now ready to safely stow it and prevent it from rust. So I hope that helped. Any of my clients out there looking to see how to take care of their carbon steel blades, or anyone else out there looking for good information about how to take care of carbon steel knives. Please like, subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, just check the link in the description. Have a nice night. And again, ready?
Ready.
Huh?
Like, just say, like, another small tip is...
Okay.
Yeah.
Another small tip with your vegetables that are round. Make a nice incision on the bottom. Nice and stable.
I'm using your apron as the background.
Okay.
Because it kind of looks good with, like, being held.